Hi guys, welcome to lesson 28 of the second grade worksheet, and today we're going to learn subtracting by regrouping. It says, regroup 1 10 and 10 ones. Write how many ones are left. Subtract the tens, write how many tens are left. Alright, so let's look at number 1. Let's subtract the ones first. So the ones is the 7 and the 2. What is 7 minus 2? 7 minus 2 is 5, so in the ones place we're going to write 5. And the tens place right here, there's no tens with the 2, so it's the 6 is just going to come right down because there's no other number in the tens place. So the answer is 65. Number 2 is a little bit different. We have 34 minus 15. But when you go, you can't subtract 4 minus 5 because 5 is greater than 4. So what you're going to do is you're going to take away a tens place from the 3, and you're going to add a 10 to the ones place. So you're going to take away a 10 from the 3, so the 3 becomes a 2, and then you're going to add 10 to the 4 right here, so the 4 becomes 14. Do you guys get it? So because 4 isn't enough to subtract by 5, you're going to take away a 10 from the tens place right here, so the 3 becomes a 2, and you're going to add that 10 we took away to the ones place over here, so the 4 becomes the 14. Alright, so now we're going to subtract from here. So now we have 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. Can you guys do 14 minus 5? 14 minus 5 is 9, so the ones place is 9. And now the tens place. We have a 2 and we have a 1. What is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1, so our answer is 19. Number 3, we have 51 minus 43. And again, the 1, we can't take away 3 from a 1 because 3 is greater. So what we're going to do, the 5, we're going to take 10 away from 50, technically. So the 5 becomes a 4, and now that's a 40. And then we're going to add 10 to the ones place right here. So the 1 plus 10 equals 11. So now what is 11 minus 3? 11 minus 3 is 8. And then we have 4 minus 4. What is 4 minus 4? 4 minus 4 is 0, so nothing. So the answer is 8. That is our work. And the next page is the same thing, so you guys can try to do those by yourself. And now we have pre-algebra review. This is from last week. Example, 60 plus 20 equals 80. So what goes inside the blank for the equation below? The equation below is 80 minus blank equals 60. Looking at over here, we have 60 plus 20 equals 80. So for subtracting, we're doing 80 minus what equals 60? Well, 60 plus 20 equals 80. So if you subtract 20 from 80, it'll equal 60. So the answer is 20. All right. Fill in the blank. We see that 30 plus 50 equals 80. So 80 minus blank equals 50. If 30 plus 50 equals 80, then 80 minus 30 will equal 50. Oh, that's an ugly 0. Sorry. All right, let's try number 2. 20 plus 50 equals 40 plus what? Hint, what number would make them the same? All right, so let's do 20 plus 50 first. What is 20 plus 50? Add the ones place. The ones place is 0. And the tens place, the 2 and the 5 is 7. So it's going to be 7. 20 plus 50 equals 7. But we have to find a number where 40 plus some number equals 70. So 40 plus what equals 70? To figure that out, you can do 70 minus 40. So the ones place is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So that is 30. 20 plus 50 equals 70, and 40 plus 30 also equals 70, so it is equal. All right, let's do some word problems. Number 1. Zach has 29 packs of trading cards. He gives Keisha 17 of them. How many trading cards does Zach have left? All right, so Zach has 29 packs of trading cards, and he gives Keisha 17. So he loses 17, so we're going to subtract 17. So we're going to subtract the ones place first. What is 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7 is 2. And what is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 12. Zach has 12 trading cards left. Number 2. There are 47 chickens in the barn. 23 of them lay eggs. How many chickens do not lay eggs? All right, so we have 47 chickens, and 23 of them lay eggs. 23 of them lay eggs. That means the rest of the chickens did not lay eggs, so we're looking for that amount. So we're going to do 47 minus 23. So let's look at the ones place. What is 7 minus 3? These two numbers. 7 minus 3 is 4. And now what is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 24. 24 chickens did not lay eggs. Alright guys, that is it for today. You can go back into the questions we didn't do together on your own if you haven't so already. And good job, and I'll see you next week. Bye!